Each video helps you complete one step in the Marugoto Rikai textbook series. Minasan, konnichiwa. Study with me in 7-4, reading. Before you start, make sure you have downloaded this textbook. This is the word book called Goicho. If you cannot find this on the website, make sure you contact me and I will send you the link directly. You'll want to have the material for topic 4. 74ページを開けてください。読みましょう。Today we'll read 3 emails inviting a friend over to their house. 遊びに来てください is the subject line. Please come and visit, have some fun. This is kind of the nuance here. 遊びに来てください. Please come to have fun. Read each one of these emails and then choose the house that they are describing. Okay, pause here, read the emails, choose your answer, and then we'll check with native speakers. So pause. Ready? Let's listen.
1、
私は東京に住んでいます。私の家はマンションです。妻と子供と住んでいます。子供は2歳です。私の家は新しいです。休みに遊びに来てください。木村。
2、私は大阪に住んでいます。私の家は一戸建てです。家族と住んでいます。犬もいます。私の家は大きいです。休みに遊びに来てください。今井。3、私は北海道に住んでいます。私の家はアパートです。一人で住んでいます。私の家は古いです。でも明るいです。近くに公園があります。休みに遊びに来てください。かわいい。
How did you do? あなたは誰の家に遊びに行きたいですか？あなたは as for you. あなたは誰の家 whose house? あなたは誰の家に遊びに行きたいですか？遊び to have fun. 行きたい want to go. あなたは誰の家に行きたいですか？ Whose house do you want to go to? あなたは誰の家に行きたいですか？ Please send me a message letting me know whose house you're going to go visit. 75ページを開けてください。作文です。書きましょう。Today's 作文 is about your home. We will read a short essay about someone's home and then you'll write about your own. 読みましょう。Pause here and read this 作文。書きましょう。Pause here and trace the same 作文。If you are having difficulty with some of the vocabulary, look the words up in your word book, the Goicho, or on marugotoweb.jp's Marugoto no Kotoba link. Make sure you understand the grammar that's used here. If not, go back and review lesson 7. 皆さん、よくできました。Join me on Patreon for new lessons every week, downloadable resources, and live study support. And a special thank you to all of my Patreon supporters. ありがとうございます。Please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss another Marugoto goal. And please share this with a friend, because studying a language is always better with a buddy. またね!